Hey everyone, Sebastian here. So today I want to do a quick talk on Bitcoin double dip top possibly, and then the Apple crypto job listing, which Apple is looking for somebody to take on their cryptocurrency and probably integrate it with their Apple Pay and things like that. But first, let's get into market update. Sorry I haven't posted in a couple days. It's been kind of hectic last week. I was doing a lot of landscaping outside my house, and I was just worn out by the end of the day. So I didn't get a chance to record anything. Plus, nothing really happened exciting. Bitcoin's been kind of trading sideways along with all the other cryptocurrencies. As we can see here in the chart right now, let's look at the 4-hour chart. We can see that it's been kind of just between 32,000, 33,000, and 40,000. It's been kind of bouncing back and forth between it the last couple of days. Not much is going on. A lot of people were worried with Bitcoin, especially since the weekly, 21 weekly moving average, if we look at it here, turn this on. Since we dipped below it and stayed below it, a lot of people are worried that we're going to be in the same 2018, 2017 bear market after we hit the top. But we do have some great news about some people thinking that we're more in line with the 2013 double top in Bitcoin, where we're just heading into a accumulation phase, and then we're going to, rocket back up in price to all-time highs. So that was the concern with Bitcoin. I was kind of concerned, obviously, with it as well. Looking at it last night, it didn't seem like it was going anywhere, and we obviously closed below it again. Well, I was hoping to get, at least above that 44,000, 46,000 mark to get close to that 21-week moving average. But if we were in the same situation as we were in 2013, then I'm all for it. I think that's a good thing. We'll obviously have a double top, which would be nice to see, and hopefully not head into another bear market. So if we look at Bitcoin, so that's Bitcoin. Here's Doge. Doge has been doing the same thing. If we look at the hour chart, it's just been trading between basically a high of 36 and a low of 30, and it's been bouncing back and forth between those. Together here, let me see here. Close that off. There we go. So we can see that a little bit better chart. Same thing with Stellar. Stellar has been doing the same thing, going up and down, up and down. There's really no direction as whether it's going to be bearish or bullish right now. I think we're just in an accumulation phase with that one. Litecoin, same thing. I mean, you can see the charts. The charts look very similar on all of these. ADA is the only one that kind of popped a little bit. And there's some news on ADA. I haven't really delved into it yet. I will put out a video on ADA and some of the things that they're doing, which made the price pop. And then Ethereum, same thing, following the rest of the coins, going up in price. Obviously, today it's up 9% to 2,600. ADA is up to $1.65. Litecoin is at $1.83. And then Bitcoin's at 36,919 right now. So let's get into the news here. So Bitcoin.com had an article on, when was this? A couple of days ago, I believe. So the title of the article was BTC supporters call price drop amid bull run break. 2021 Bitcoin chart pattern similar to 2013 bull run, which is kind of promising to see. So here's the main things I want to talk about in this article. I'll provide the links down in the description as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like this kind of content. So here we go. Not everyone is convinced the crypto bull run is similar to 2017, as a number of crypto proponents think the 2013 bull run is more aligned with the present trends. Further down here, and then here's the 2013 double top. We had 2013, we had 255, then we went way down, then we kind of, traded sideways for a couple months, and then we went back up to all-time highs in December to $1,150. So if we do the same thing with this time around, where we had a top of 64,000 roughly, and then we go back up, we could see 200,000, 300,000 by the end of this bull run. Many speculators have said the 2021 bull run is similar to the bull run in 2017, and 2018's bearish consolidation is now in the cards. Despite these theories, there are those who believe BTC's current run is more reminiscent of 2013's bull run. If Bitcoin's 2013 double top behavior repeats, we may set up for December 21 or January 2022 final price peak. Colin tweeted, in 2013, we experienced a Bitcoin double top with two major peaks 8 months apart. Note that that is much less time than the 4 years between halving cycles, which is the predominant catalyst for Bitcoin bull runs. He added, Colin also wrote, the recorded price of Bitcoin in April 2013, which topped at 255, and December 2013, which hit an all-time high of 1,150 per unit. This one feels more like 2013 rather than 2017. Similar to 2013, this year has had some rumors from China talking about alleged crypto trade bans and stopping crypto mining. Pantera Capital co-CIO Joey Krug tweeted about the China situation on May 21st and said, for those new to crypto, we're now mid-market cycle. We're at the part where China bans Bitcoin 3 times. It happens every cycle, 2013, 2017, 2021. The founder of the Stacks ecosystem, Munib Ali, also tweeted, 2013 called and wants its China mining ban stories back. So obviously we've had a lot of FUD over that, and as we're seeing, a lot of people are saying that, this isn't the first time it's happened before. Every time we go into a bull run, China, obviously opens up their mouth and starts banning it again. So Bitcoin.com News wrote about Plan B's discussion with discussing the similarities when he said, nothing goes up in a straight line. Bitcoin has gone up 6 months in a row, which was kind of astonishing that it has done that. Until this month, this looks like the midway dip that we also saw in 2013 and 2017. I think we'll go on here, and I think that's it. So we're seeing a lot of people are saying that, this looks like 2013, especially Plan B with his stock to flow ratio that he's got going on. I'm more aligned to believe him a little bit more in his track record that we are going to have a double top this year. Next story that I want to talk to you guys. Let me know in the discussion if you guys think that's the case, or if you disagree with this, or you're thinking that we're going into a bear market this year. I'm of the opinion that I'm a little bit more optimistic. I think we're going to see a double top. And then the next story that I want to talk to you guys about is MacRumors wrote an article. Apple looking for a manager with experience in cryptocurrencies. In the job listing cited by CoinDesk, Apple explained that it is looking for a business development manager in alternative payments. The Apple Wallet's Payments and Commerce WPC team is seeking an experienced business development manager to lead alternative payment partnerships. We are looking for a proven professional in global alternative and emerging payment solutions. We need your help forming partnership framework and commercial models, defining implementation paradigms, identifying key players, and managing relationships with strategic alternative payment partners. This position will be responsible for the end-to-end business development, including screening partners, negotiating and closing commercial agreements, and launching new programs. So it looks like Apple is getting into the crypto space based on this job posting. So they're obviously looking for somebody that's had quite a bit of experience in this. Story goes on to say the fairly senior role involves developing new payment solutions, which could encompass everything from the App Store and in-app purchasing to retail store purchases and Apple Pay. In collaboration with alternative payment partners, it also includes working with senior level partners inside the company and providing direction on industry insights and market opportunities to Apple, and influencing business strategy and product roadmaps. Apple states that one of the key qualifications for the role is at least 5-year experience working in or with alternative payment providers such as digital wallets, BNPL, fast payment, cryptocurrency, and etc. It also goes on to say it may also simply be an indication that Apple is attempting to hire professionals with experience in emerging industries to ensure that it is in a position to compete with rivals if it needs to do so. And I think we're going to start seeing a lot more companies obviously get into it and start accepting it. So I think Apple is just getting ready for that along with other companies. In 2019, Apple Vice President Jennifer Bailey said that Apple is watching cryptocurrency and explained, we think it's interesting. We think it has interesting long-term potential. So there you go. If Apple somehow incorporates cryptocurrencies into their ecosystem, into their OS, and into their wallets, I think that's a huge step forward for everybody in the crypto space. I think it's going to obviously drive the price up a lot higher as demand is going to go up as well, depending on which cryptocurrency they choose to go with. So I hope that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with that being said, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I post a new video Monday through Friday and sometimes on the weekend. So if you find these videos useful, please smash the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me out tremendously. You can also support me on Patreon. All the links are in the description, including news sources. Also, comment down below if you agree or disagree with any of the stories that I talked about or what your thoughts are in the comments. And have a great day. And until next time, bye.